Hello students, I am Aisha Munshi handling math subject for first standard. Students, today we are going to start our second chapter name is decimals. Second chapter name is decimals. Let's start. Fraction and decimals. Let us know what is the difference between fractions and decimals. You are quite similar with the concept of fraction. We shall now extend the concept of fraction to decimals, which has a very important role in almost every walk of life. We have already used the decimals point while doing the lesson on money in earlier classes. Let us first try to understand the meaning of the terms. Look at the ruler that you would use every day. The small ruler has 15 centimeter in it. Each centimeter marked by a long line. You can see student, this ruler is 15 centimeter. Each centimeter point or marked by a long line. You will notice that the distance between any two 1 centimeter interval is divided into 10 equal parts, each denoted the millimeter. So students, from this line to this line, this is the distance of 1 centimeter. Between in these two lines, you can see there is small lines. Let's count how many these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and this one is 10. These are the 10 lines totally. These small lines denoted the millimeters. So student, how many these lines? These lines are tens. It means now 10 millimeter equals to 1 centimeter and it can be written as 1 millimeter divided by 1 equal to 1 divided by 10 centimeter. This means that 1 millimeter is 1/10 of the centimeter. Now 1/10 is called a decimal fraction. 1/10 is called a decimal fraction. Any fraction that has only 1 followed by a 0 or zeros as its denominator is decimal fraction. It is convenient to represent a decimal fraction as a decimal number with a decimal point. Thus 1 divided by 10 is written as 0.1. 0.1. Now student, let us solve some exercise based on this simple decimal fraction and decimal number. Let us start. On page number 100, exercise number 2.1. First one is study each set, write as a fraction and as a decimal in figures and words. One question is worked out for you. So student, first figure is has 10 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 boxes. In these 10 boxes, how many boxes are shaded? 9 boxes are shaded and it can be write as 9 divided by 10. 9s are shaded and total boxes are 10. In next figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this, these are 10 boxes. In this manner, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 10 into 10 equals to 100. In these 100 boxes, how many boxes are shaded? 3 boxes are shaded and it can be written as 3 divided by 100. So student, 90 divided by 100. Here 9 converted into 90 and 10 converted into 100. 90 divided by 100 plus 3 divided by 100 plus equals to 93 divided by 100. And the decimals is 0.93. It means 0.93. Let us solve second one. How many boxes are total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 boxes are total and 10 are shaded. Written as 10 divided by 10. See here. And these total boxes are 10. How many colored? One box is colored and it can be written as 1 divided by 10. So, student, this denominator's common factor is also 10. And it can be converted as 10 divided by 10 plus 10 divided by 10 equals to 10 divided by 10. And our fraction is, sorry student, it is 1 divided by 10. Here 11 divided by 10. Our fraction is 1 divided by 10. And our decimal is 1.1. 1.1. Next is, here is 10 boxes, all 10s are colored. Right here 10 divided by 10. In next figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 boxes are total, 4 are colored. 4 divided by 10. After this, these are 100 in total. How many colored? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are colored. 5 divided by 100. This common factor is 10, 10, 100. Let us identify the common factor. We have to multiply this, cut this by 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10, 10 tens are 100. Next again 10 1 1, 10 ones are 10. 10 into 10, we have to multiply these. 10 tens are 100. Next 10 tens are 100. Right here 10 tens are 100 divided by 100 plus 10 fours are 40 divided by 100. Next 100. Next one is 5 divided by 100. These are cut like this. 1 100 ones are 1, 100 ones are 1. 1 plus 40 divided by 100 plus 5 divided by 100 equals to 1 plus 45 divided by 100. And our answer is 1.45. 1.45 right here. 1.45. So student, in this class we have solved these two exercises. You have to solve this one exercise as your homework in your maths notebook or textbook and send on WhatsApp on page number 100. Thank you.